Hello and welcome to Miranda Detailing. So in today's video, it is going to be another real-time video. We were detailing this Ford Fusion and it has gray cloth upholstery. And we're just going to focus on the seats for now. It did have some milk stains. Now, it wasn't too bad, but I'm going to show the process anyway, how we vacuum it very quickly, and then how we go about cleaning the cloth seats. So you're going to notice that we use our cleaning shampoo and then we use our steamer to steam clean the seats and to get out any of those stains. And now with cloth seats like this, you're going to notice that you need to kind of not oversaturate, but wet all of the surfaces so that they dry evenly. If you're just to spot hit one area of that upholstery, you do end up with a water spot, because upholstery like that, unfortunately, will stain just with water. Don't know why they did that, but it does. So any other drink spills are going to be even worse. But check out the video. Hope you enjoy. Alright, that one is done. So as you notice, the seats really weren't too bad, but I wanted to go ahead and do a real-time video on this to show the process of how we clean those seats. So if they were really nasty, we would have just had to double up on the process and maybe concentrate on a few more areas. And if needed, we would pull out the extractor. But like I've mentioned in other videos, I don't always like to use the extractor on seats, because you can sometimes pull up a lot more than what you bargained for and end up with an even worse mess, just because that will oversaturate with water a little bit too much, and then it draws up other stains and you get wicking and all of that, and it just makes it worse. So sometimes just cleaning the surface with some chemicals, some shampoo, and then steaming it and then blotting it dry with those microfibers will get you the best results that you can possibly get without having to dig too deeply and worry about drying up other stains that could ruin things. So hope you enjoy the video, guys. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may enjoy it, and make sure to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get a notification each time our videos drop. So we'll see you next time. Have a great one.